Hi, my name is Kenitha Davis, and this is my live binder for using technology for teaching and learning. Here I am currently on my table of contents. Um, as you can see, we had 6 weeks of instruction and 6 weeks to complete different assignments. On week 1, we had to do a word cloud, mission statement. Week 2, we had to do a diverse classroom learners and technology assignment. Week 3, we had to do a lunch and learn assignment. Week 4, we had to do our emerging trends integrating technology assignment. Week 5, we had to do a legal and ethical issues assignment. And week 6, we had to do 3 assignments, which were best practices and trends for technology integration, educational technology toolkit, and the digital portfolio presentation. In week 1, as I stated earlier, we had to do a word cloud and a mission statement. I chose the apple for the word cloud as the image to represent education as well as technology. The word chosen best describes how I see education as a 21st century teacher and learner. My mission statement explains my goals and expectations for integrating technology in the classroom. Both of these would be great activities to do during professional development and in the classroom. Teachers and students can create their own word cloud and mission statement regarding technology. These activities will allow educators and students to really think about how they see and value using technology. In week 2, we had to do an assignment, and for this assignment we had to use digital media and application to address how we would integrate technology in each scenario. There were 3 scenarios. We had an elementary scenario, we had a middle school scenario, and we had a high school scenario. I chose to create an animation using Powtoon. My first time using it, and I would definitely use it again. It took some time to create the assignment, but I really enjoyed the different tools that's on this resource. I would definitely let my colleagues know about this resource to use in the classroom. Um, you can create slideshows as well as videos. You can put in information that will keep your students engaged. This would be a great learning activity for teachers to do during professional development to see what technology resource each teacher will use for each scenario. So they could have a discussion about, each scenario and really go in depth on what resources they will use for the different scenarios. So it would be very informative and you could really learn a lot from that assignment. In week 3, we had to create a presentation to present for professional development focused on how to encourage instructors to integrate technology in the learning process. I decided to use a PowerPoint to create this assignment because it's easy to follow along and because mostly everyone has Microsoft and everyone has PowerPoint. I know I would be able to share, this information throughout my district. I decided to use PowerPoint also because I'm used to the format, and then I knew it would be easier to meet all the requirements for the assignment. This assignment would also be great to start a professional development meeting because it discusses different aspects of how to integrate technology in the classroom, such as what could be done when you have group assignments, what could be done um, when you only have one computer in a classroom, or several computers in the classroom. So this assignment really taught me a lot. After I did a lot of researching, I was able to learn quite a few things that I'm currently using in my classroom. Week 4, we had to select and identify challenges and benefits of a trend in educational technology. I chose game-based learning, and I also chose to do Powtoon again, because again, I like the animation, and I thought it would be really engaging and fun to create. I enjoyed this because I got to see how others view this concept and what benefits and what challenges that game-based learning can do. This would be an excellent opportunity for professional development so that educators could discuss their own opinions regarding challenges and benefits of trends and technology in today's world. Week 5, legal and ethical issues. This assignment was a two-part. At first, we had to complete a legal and ethical issue resource page, and we had to compose 5 different sources for copyright, fair use, and Creative Commons, for FERPA and other technology privacy concerns, and plagiarism and academic dishonesty. The second part of the assignment was to create an editorial, about bridging the digital divide. I chose to do a text-based editorial because I knew I would be able to meet the requirements by, writing instead of creating something else. This would be a great opportunity for teachers to use in their classroom. Actually, after I created mine, I shared my results with my students. I discussed, the right and wrongs of using technology by using some of these resources. And I also discussed, how we can make the bridge and technology better by doing certain things. And it starts in the classroom and it starts at home. And we have to share the information that we have with others. Week 6, we had 3 sub tabs. The first one was best practices and trends. And for this assignment, we had to create a 3 to 5 minute presentation examining what practices and trends are best to use for technology integration. For example, we had to find different practices and trends for um, seeing and doing technology integration properly, increasing family involvement, funding opportunities for technology, and also budgeting and funding considerations for technology integration. This assignment was really um, informative. I was able to learn a lot that I was able to share with my administration team at school. So I enjoyed creating this assignment because I not only learned a few things, my coworkers did as well. The next one was the Educational Technology Toolkit. For this assignment, we had to find a book regarding how to integrate technology. And I chose the book Understanding the Digital Generation, Teaching and Learning in a New Digital Landscape. And I chose this book because I am big on technology in my classroom. And I'm always trying to find ways to use it and how to keep my students engaged and the best things to do to be a better teacher when it comes to, using technology in the classroom. This assignment wasn't difficult at all, but it was very rewarding because I learned a lot regarding this book and how to properly use technology in the classroom. So I really enjoyed this assignment. The last part for week 6 is creating my digital portfolio presentation that I'm currently doing now. Um, I really enjoy using line binders and creating this digital portfolio. I've never done one before, so it was really cool and neat to do. I would definitely be using this again. I have already shown my coworkers the format and how we can use it in the classroom. So I look forward to using it in the future to allow my students to upload some